Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare winter special chicken shorba recipe. Let's get started. Switch on the flame, heat up the pot on highest heat up to roasting window. Now preheating is completed. Add spices, onion and green chili slit. Add chicken pieces. Now close the lid and cook for 1 minute. Now open the lid. Add pinch of turmeric powder, chopped ginger garlic, salt and mix well. Now add 4 cups of water. Add chopped coriander. Mix once. Now close the pot with a quick soft line. Now set audio thumb at soft window approximately for 1 minute. Cooking is completed. Switch off the flame and remove the audio thumb. Allow the pot to depressurize by itself. Now pot is depressurized. Open the lid. Now add lemon juice. Mix well and serve hot. Chicken shorba recipe is ready.